What if the real secret to natural weight loss wasn't hidden in some expensive pill, but right there, sitting quietly in your kitchen? Have you ever wondered if there's a safer, more affordable alternative to those trending weight loss injections? Before you risk side effects like thyroid cancer, let me show you something better, completely natural, and just as powerful. Have you noticed how everyone's been talking about these so-called miracle weight loss pills lately? They promise fast results, some even claim to transform your body in just a few weeks. Sounds tempting, right? And yes, some of the results have been impressive, but when you take a closer look, the truth isn't so pretty. These weight loss medications aren't just incredibly expensive, they also come with a long list of serious side effects. One of the most alarming. They can even increase your risk of developing thyroid issues, including tumor growth. So here's the real question: is there a better way? Something safer, more natural? The answer is yes. And today, I'm going to share a simple secret with you, a natural drink, just 1 cup a day, that can support your weight loss journey in a powerful way. The best part? It works through a similar mechanism as those medications, but without the harmful side effects. Today, I want to introduce you to an amazing, all-natural solution for weight loss. This special drink not only helps you burn fat, it also boosts your metabolism, reduces inflammation, and supports your long-term health. Let's be honest, losing weight can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. Weight loss medications may make that journey easier, but they come at a cost, not just financially, but also in terms of potential health risks. That's why I went deep into my research to uncover natural ingredients that are both safe and effective, and the best part is, you can easily find them at your local market or even in your own kitchen. To understand how this drink works, we first need to look at how weight loss medications actually help people lose weight. These drugs work by increasing the level of a gut hormone called GLP-1. This molecule plays a key role in regulating appetite. It sends a signal to your brain telling you that you're full, making it easier to eat smaller portions and resist snacking. GLP-1 also slows down the emptying of your stomach, which helps you feel full for longer after meals. Now, here's the exciting part. Recent scientific studies have shown that certain natural compounds can also boost your body's GLP-1 levels, delivering similar benefits, but without the risks associated with prescription drugs. So let's take a closer look at the ingredients in this powerful natural drink. I'll explain exactly why each one is included and how it supports your weight loss efforts. Then, I'll walk you through how to make it, and the best times to drink it for maximum results. The first ingredient is psyllium husk, a gentle yet highly effective fiber. When consumed, psyllium husk absorbs water and expands in your stomach. This creates a natural feeling of fullness, helping you feel satisfied more quickly and reducing the urge to overeat. It effectively curbs your appetite, allowing you to consume fewer calories without feeling deprived. It's a fantastic way to support your weight loss journey, without hunger pangs or extreme dieting. The second key ingredient is curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric. Most people know turmeric as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, but here's something you might not know. Let's continue by exploring how this natural drink works on a deeper level. These ingredients don't just support your health, they actually help increase the GLP-1 molecule in your gut. This is the same molecule targeted by many modern weight loss medications. By naturally boosting GLP-1 levels, these ingredients help reduce your appetite and keep you feeling full longer, making it much easier to control portion sizes and shed unwanted weight. Curcumin, known as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, does more than just aid digestion. It also helps flush out excess water weight that your body might be retaining due to inflammation. You know that bloated, heavy feeling? Curcumin can help relieve that, gently and effectively. Now let's talk about the third star in this drink, cinnamon. Cinnamon has an amazing ability to improve your body's sensitivity to insulin. This means your cells respond more efficiently to insulin, which reduces fat storage. But that's not all. Cinnamon also helps prevent sudden insulin spikes, one of the main causes of stubborn belly fat. By keeping your blood sugar stable, cinnamon supports steady energy levels and helps minimize fat accumulation. The final ingredient is likely one you're already familiar with: green tea. Green tea is packed with a compound called EGCG, a powerful antioxidant. Interestingly, scientific studies have shown that EGCG can naturally boost GLP-1 levels in the body. Many people who struggle with weight often have a slow metabolism, and green tea acts like a gentle fire starter, reigniting your internal fat-burning furnace. It helps accelerate fat burning and allows your body to work more efficiently to shed excess pounds. So, when you bring these four ingredients together, psyllium husk, turmeric, cinnamon, and green tea, you get a potent, all-natural drink. It not only helps promote satiety and curb cravings, but also reduces inflammation, boosts metabolism, and supports effective fat loss, all without relying on weight loss medications. Here's how you make it. Start by boiling 1 cup of water. Once it reaches a boil, add in a green tea bag. If you have access to matcha green tea, use that instead. It's a more concentrated form and has significantly higher levels of EGCG for even greater benefits. Once the tea is ready, stir in the following: 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well, then let the drink sit for a few minutes. You'll notice the texture thickens slightly. This is the psyllium husk expanding, which is exactly what helps create that full, satisfied feeling in your stomach. If it becomes too thick, feel free to add a bit more warm water to adjust the consistency. Want to make it taste a little sweeter? Add a touch of natural stevia. It's a plant-based sweetener that won't spike your insulin levels. When should you drink it? You have a few great options. First thing in the morning before breakfast, to stay full longer and curb cravings. Before lunch, to avoid overeating during the day. Or if you tend to have heavy dinners, drink it before your evening meal to naturally reduce your appetite and calorie intake. This one simple cup can be a game changer in your weight loss journey, offering results without the cost or risks of prescription medication. But remember, for best results, pair this drink with smart, healthy lifestyle habits. That means eating an anti-inflammatory diet, cutting back on sugars and processed carbs, and moving your body regularly, even if it's just a brisk walk each day. Here's your challenge: try drinking this once a day for the next 3 weeks, alongside your healthy changes. Then come back and let me know in the comments, how does your body feel? Have you noticed any changes in your energy, shape, or cravings? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from it too. Until next time, take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.